by any chance been telling the same stories we heard when we were kids?
Yeah, the exact same.
Roy, this day and age, you can't do that. You gotta tell the whole story backwards or you can't get anything out of kids these days. Okay, for example, instead of Cinderella, you say Rendercella. Now, I'm going to tell you the story of Rendercella, and I want you to memorize it and recite it to your boy tonight.
Okay, I will do that.
Once upon a time in a corn country, there was a beautiful girl named Rendercella. Now, Rendercella lived in her cad's cottage with her muggly other and her two sad blisters. Now, also in the same corn country, there was a very pransome Hints. Now, this pransome Hints decided he was going to have a fancy fall. So, Rendercella's muggly other and her two sad blisters went to this fancy fall. And before they did, though, they went out to buy some fancy fesses, you know, to wear to this fancy ball. And Rendercella couldn't go because all she had to wear was some old rarity rags. So, they went to this fancy fall, and Rendercella just sat down and tried. And she was sitting there trying when before her Gary Mudfather appeared. And he waved his magic wand and he said, "Now Rendercella, you may go to this fancy fall, but you must be home by midnight or I will turn you into a tumpkin." And so Rendercella went to this fancy fall, and Pransome Hints met her at the door because he had been watching all this time behind a wooden hinder. And Rendercella and the Pransome Hints danced all night, and they lay in fun. And the mid-clock struck night, and Rendercella staced down the rares, and just as she beached the bottom, she slapped her dripper. The next day, the Pransome Hints went all over this corn country, trying to find the beautiful girl who had slopped her dripper. He finally came to Rendercella's cad's cottage. He tried it on her muggly other and it fitted it. He tried it on her two siggly esters and it fitted it. And he tried it on Rendercella and it fitted it. And they lived happily ever after. Now, kids, the moral of the story is, if you go to a fancy fall and you want to fall in love with the Pransome Hints, don't